So when you are steaming in your Varoma, quite often recipes on Cookie Doo will tell you to individually cover your dairy-oil molds, but I don't do that. I use a baking sheet. You can use paper baking sheet or these liners that I use. If you cut them to roughly the size of your Varoma, then stick this in. This will actually keep your mixture from staying in the right place. It keeps the water off. So what happens is it runs down the sides of the paper here, and your puddings don't get soggy. And there you go. That's my tip. So look out for a couple of weeks. You'll have this rum and raisin pudding.